Hello everyone, this is Abhinav and welcome to another new video and it is a food review. I guess তোমরা বেশ কিছুদিন আগে a lot of videos earlier তোমরা দেখেছিলে আমি কিছু food review করেছিলাম especially last lockdown এ Domino's pizza after lockdown, then barbecue in a box and also শারদ উৎসব স্পেশাল মিয়মরের কিছু আইটেম and surprisingly my food reviews have always been a bit popular among other videos, so make sure to check those videos. And since এখনো লকডাউন চলছে and অতটা বাইরে বেরোনো হচ্ছে না, so I decided to do a food review again, and this is a comparison video, comparison between two very famous food chains. One Domino's Pizza and another is Pizza Hut. So দুটো কোম্পানি থেকে আমরা দুটো ব্র্যান্ড থেকে আমরা অনেক খাই, I guess, like when you go to malls বা বাড়িতে অর্ডার দেওয়া, it's very usual and very common, and সবসময় একটা কম্পারিজন থাকে. Some prefer Pizza Hut, some prefer Domino's. আমি দু জায়গা থেকেই খেয়েছি, বাট ডমিনোস থেকে একটু বেশি খাওয়া হয়েছে বিকজ আমার এই দমদমে আমি যেখানে থাকি এখানে ডমিনোস থেকে it's easily available. So I thought why not order both and just do a comparison. So here are my pizzas ready. মোটামুটি প্যাকিং অ্যান্ড অল বোথ আর সেম. আমি পিৎজা হাটেরটা আই গট ডেলিভার্ড ভায়া জোম্যাটো অ্যান্ড ডমিনোজ অ্যাপ দিয়ে ডেলিভার্ড হয়েছে. সো আই এম গোয়িং টু শেয়ার দি প্রাইস, I'm going to share the experience, the quality, the difference, and also give an opinion. But overall, I think they both are very much popular. And so yeah, make sure to watch the entire video and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, keep watching. So guys, as you can see আমি ডমিনোজ এবং পিৎজা হাট দুটো পিৎজাই আনবক্স করে ফেলেছি. দুটো পিৎজাই প্রপারলি সিলড ছিল and they have also given the seasonings that they usually give. And this one is the ডমিনোজের যে নতুন একটা ওরা পাস্তা পিৎজা যেটা ওরা বার করেছে বেশ কিছুদিন হলো. So this is the Moroccan spice pasta pizza non-veg, and this one is the spicy meatball pizza. So yeah, as you can see it looks amazing. So price wise this one is priced at 229, the Domino's one. আমি base price টা বলছি because delivery and all সেগুলো vary করবে, and the Pizza Hut one is priced at 269. Price comparison করলে আমি বলবো Pizza Hut is a bit costlier than Domino's, and এবার এটা খেলে বুঝবো how much it is worth it. So okay guys, it's time to taste and it's time to compare Domino's pizza and Pizza Hut. So first I will go with Domino's because as I said আমি খুব Domino's খাই. So I'm going to start with Domino's. No partiality, just that you got to start with anyone. And আমি seasoning use করছি না. I want to take the pure taste of the pizza and the toppings. So ভেবো না যে আমি সিজনিং দিই না, I'm a mad fan of oregano and Italian seasoning. So starting with the Domino's one, this one is the Moroccan spice pasta pizza, as I said, and as you guys can see এর মধ্যে পাস্তা আছে and chunks of I think barbecued বা তন্দুর চিকেন, and I think Moroccan spice mix কিছু একটা দেয় ওরা. So let's start with the Domino's one. Same taste, একটা ক্রিমি একটা সসি টেক্সচার আছে যেটা ওদের এই পিৎজাটার ইউনিক. একটা মোরক্কান একটা সসি টেক্সচার ওরা ইউজ করে. ইটস আ স্পেশাল সস I suppose, and the chickens are quite chunky. And even though আমি সিজনিং ইউজ করিনি, but they have used a spice rub over the pizza. As I can see there is a spice rub. So yeah, Domino's as usual, as such কোনো difference নেই যেরকম খেয়েছি. And now time to taste the Pizza Hut one. So now time for the Pizza Hut pizza and the spicy meaty ball pizza, let's see. So let's taste. আমি বেশ অনেক দিন পর পিৎজা হাট খাচ্ছি I really don't remember last time আমি কবে খেয়েছিলাম but after a long gap. It's good, there are some chunky chicken meatballs and apart from that onion ache. It's really good, not bad. Bhaloi legeche. The crust is soft, and size wise duto is same as you can see. So both were good, and now let's do a comparison. I'm going to give a comparison. So yeah.
A few moments later.
So now time for the comparison, and তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ আমি একটা করে স্লাইস খেয়েছি. So going with the comparison, first of all crust. Now crust wise, if you ask my opinion, Pizza Hut এর crustটা বেশি সফট, ওদের যে ব্রেড কোয়ালিটি যেটা the base যে ব্রেড কোয়ালিটিটা, that is softer as compared to Domino's. Topping wise, the price আমি যা পেয়েছি, the Moroccan spice pasta pizza and the meatball one, topping wise Domino's is better. The spice, the sauce, the cheese is properly mixed, and with every bite you get to taste it, unlike the Pizza Hut one. Breaded taste বেশি পাওয়া যাচ্ছে. হ্যাঁ, obviously if you go for costlier versions, you take মানে cheese burst and you take more toppings, তাহলে obviously it will taste better. But আমি আগেই বলেছি আমি base compare করছি to base variants. So topping wise, Domino's has an extra edge, but crusted দিক দিয়ে Pizza Hut better. Price আমি আগেই তোমাদের বলেছি Pizza Hut is a bit overpriced. I think that varies, but price নিয়ে আমি কিছু বলবো না, because it's it depends on person to person. Quality wise the meatballs যেটা Pizza Hut এর যে meatballs গুলো, those are okayish. Like I expected a bit more flavor, but একটা sausage like feeling আসলো. Meatballs গুলো, they have said it to be spicy meatballs, but I didn't get so much of spice. So yeah, Domino's on the other hand, ওদের যে Moroccan spice pasta pizza, it is filled with flavors. With every bite you get a lot of flavors. So flavor wise Domino's এগিয়ে আছে, but হ্যাঁ যেটা আমি বললাম, Domino's এর crustটা একটু বেশি hard. I know it's a bit on the crunchier side, একটুখানি it's a bit hard. গরম খাওয়াটাই I guess better, but Pizza Hutটা it's much more softer. It's soft, অনেকই soft and a bit thicker also, a bit fluffy compared to Domino's. তোমরা এখান থেকে দেখলে বুঝতেই পারবে. So the Domino's one, it's a bit on the thinner side, but Pizza Hut একটা much more fluffy. So yeah, that's another point. Overall I would say both the brands are really good, and no matter where you are, at which part of the country, Pizza Hut, Domino's, they always serve. If you ask my opinion, আমি বলবো Domino's has a little bit of extra edge over the toppings and the price and the flavor profile and everything, but Pizza Hut is not bad. আমি একবারও বলবো না I don't recommend Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut এর পিৎজাও খুব ভালো, especially if you are someone who likes the bread to be soft, who likes the crust to be a bit fluffy and softier, ব্রেডের ফ্লেভারটা তোমরা বেশি পছন্দ করো, তাদের জন্য Pizza Hut is always a go, because Domino's এর crust একটু harder. So overall that's it. আমি খুব একটা ডিফারেন্স দিতে পারবো না. Both the brands are good, the quality is good, and আমরা সবাই জানি যে কোনো সময় friends, family gatherings বা post exam খিদে পাচ্ছে, একটু বাইরে খাবো, we always go for either Domino's or Pizza Hut. I think no matter which one you order and eat, it's going to satisfy your taste buds. So that's it from today's video. I didn't want to linger it, you know, because I want to finish my pizzas. So yeah, thank you for watching, and তোমরা আমাকে জানিও which one you guys prefer in the comment section, তোমরা কোনটা পছন্দ করো, and also let me know if you guys want more such food reviews, you know, comparison videos. I will try to, you know, give such content. So yeah, that's it from today, and make sure to like the video, you know, subscribe to my channel if you are new. I'm very close to, you know, 1k subs. Not very close, like close, like gradually I'm approaching it, so that would be a huge achievement. So help me in it, you know, you guys are all the support I have. So yeah, make sure to watch the video, like it, share it, and don't forget to comment. So yep, thank you for watching. Coming back with a new video very soon, and signing off.